Here's IRONMAN tracker app. So how to install it? So yeah, just tap get and then double click to install it. You will be able to install it. This is IRONMAN athlete tracking app. You can just open it up and then yeah, you will be able to get some updates from the different Ironman races. They are happening all over Europe, or like just Canada, North America. And then you can just go to the specific place, and then you can select either you're a fan or you're an athlete, and then just follow all the scores and all of that. So it's pretty cool. Then you can see tracker. You can track participants. You can see the map where it's happening. So in which parts of the area. Then you can see leaders, overall leaders in specific races. Then you can see info, all the social media accounts, all the communities, merch, where you can buy it. So yeah, pretty cool thing. And then you can also see messages. So that's basically the idea of the app. If you didn't know that this app exists, yes, it's here, so you can find it. So try it out.